Hi all. Okay, so I have this Android car player which stopped working. What stopped working? Actually it is working, but the touch is not working. So I took it apart from the car. This is from Chevy Cruze. Okay, and now I would like to see what is going on with it. So what I would like to do is first to understand how to wake it up or activate it, because it's not in the card and I didn't check where the voltage goes to. It comes with all these connectors. So what I did, I cut the red and the orange, because usually red is VCC and the orange is a standby from the switch of the car, and then black is negative always. But I found out that when I supplied 12 volt between this to this, it did not start to work. Then I found this fuse. The fuse is of course the input of the 12 volt, and then I checked and found that it is going from the fuse to this a yellow wire. So the yellow is the 12 volt. Probably this is the negative and this is the standby. So if I would like to wake it up, I will need to solder these guys together, and the negative is the negative. By the way, the wire here are very thin, so the yellow one is thicker, and this brought me to the conclusion that the yellow is the positive. So now I will try to wake it up. Okay, so you can see it here, and then the next step will be to disassemble this device and try to find out what is going on, and if I can fix the touch screen. I guess probably no, but it will be nice to understand how it goes. So now I'm supplying power, and as you can see, it does power up. Let's check again that the screen is not activating like it was in the car, and then we'll try to see what next. Okay, Android, start. Android is starting, and you can see nothing is working. The touch is totally dead. Okay, now about the touch screen. All the touch screen basically the same method of work. You have, like in your iPhone or Galaxy, you have the screen, and then you have something that is called digitizer. The digitizer is another layer that is on the top of the LCD, and it sends by the finger the location that you actually press. This is a capacitive touch. As for today, I think so. This is what I know anyway. And the next step will be to take it apart and then try to get to the other layer and see if I can find anything at all. So I will tear it apart and then back.